For convention, a hotel charges a daily room rate of $120 for one person and X dollars for each additional person. What is the charge for each additional person? So here we're looking for the value of X. Statement number 1 tells us the daily cost per person for 4 people sharing a room and splitting the cost equally is $45. And so we have 4 people. That would be $120 for the first person plus 3 additional people. So $120 plus 3x would be the total cost of the room. Split that equally, divide it by 4, and it equals 45. Well, what we have here is an equation we could solve for x. We have one equation, one unknown. We could solve for x. On the data sufficiency, you have to resist the temptation to actually get involved in solving for x. That's irrelevant, the actual value of x. We know now definitively we could solve for x, and so statement number 1 is sufficient. So forget statement number 1, block it out of your mind. Statement number 2 tells us the daily cost per person for 2 people sharing the room equally is $25 more than the corresponding cost for 4 people. So in other words, if you have 2 people sharing a room, 120 plus x divided by 2, that's going to be $25 more than if we take 4 people and they share the room. Well, again, what we have here is an equation for x we could solve. We have one unknown, x, and one equation, and so we would be able to solve this as well. So this statement also is sufficient. Both statements are sufficient. Answer choice D.